Hey guys, what's up? It's Jacob's Tutorials here, and I've gotten a lot of comments about recharging one of these, and I could see how a lot of the stuff can be overcomplicated and whatnot, so I'm going to do a basic video on that, try to make it a lot quicker. So yeah, the tools you're going to need: some wire strippers, a battery. This is from a drone, any battery with two connectors. No double A's or triple A's, that stuff won't work because it's not powerful enough. And I have a screwdriver set, and then also a charger you don't want anymore. I just use Android because it's a lot cheaper than Apple's chargers. So you're gonna want to pry this off with a really small screwdriver. Like that, pull it out, and this one is dead. We still have a fair amount of juice left. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is you want to cut this so you have exposed wires, so you can either charge the battery or hit it right off this. So we'll just cut this here, and then I'll get my wire strippers and I'll get the outside piece out. And now we have two wires. So hopefully that can cut it, we'll see. Let's try that. And that works. So now you have your device here to charge it. And it's the same as the last video. Well, this is actually really oily. Some of the juice has leaked out, so let me wipe that. Alright. Anyways, in the last video, you're gonna want to do the same thing as that, where you would take this and you would wrap the red wire around the red on top. You just wrap it around the little metal piece you see in the bottom, right there. And then you would take this other wire. You'd obviously have to strip more off, and then you'd take this wire and you connect that to the black. So basically the red would be here, and then the blue would go to the black, which is actually on this side. You can see with the tape. And that's how you would do that. But I'm going to show you another way, which I find easier because charging's a hassle in my opinion. Is you're going to cut this off. This is the tank, and this is basically garbage. You don't need that anymore. So this is the part, the good part that we want, and I'm going to make these red wires even. And now what we're going to do is we're going to strip maybe 1/3 of a centimeter off each wire. And this is harder to strip, so I just kind of put it in the blade part and pull, and usually that gets it. It can be tricky though. Sometimes I'll just go use my knife instead. So let's keep trying this. So we're gonna get these sides off, and that's what you want it to look like. And now you have two options. If you have any type of battery, you can, it doesn't matter which side you put it in, but you can put it in this side or this side, and that's how you hit this. So I'll show you that. As you see, there's one way to hit it, and the other way is the charger I showed you how to make. You plug that into a power bank or your computer or anything, and then you connect the wires, and you can also hit it that way, which I'm going to show you. So that's how, hopefully that answers your questions that I've seen some in the comments about you know a better way to do this. This is basically having to avoid all the stuff with the battery and recharging, which is honestly a hassle. And it's really just easier to get this out, cut it, and then put it on this, or, you know, strip wires and do it that way. And that's all. I'll try to answer more questions you have in the comments. And like and subscribe, and have a good day.